Senapelan kata bernama sudah termasuk kemana-mana. Senapelan kata bernama sudah termasuk kemana-mana. Iman dan budi yang diutama, amanah hidup sepanjang masa. Iman dan budi yang diutama, amanlah hidup sepanjang masa. Senapelan seni budaya indah menawan sepanjang zaman. Senapelan seni budaya indah menawan sepanjang zaman. Hidup di dunia berbuat jasa, sepanjang hidup tetap dikenang. Hidup di dunia berbuat jasa, sepanjang hidup tetap dikenang.
Wow, what a great ceremony, Edo.
Yeah, really.
Wow. And we also have watched the video before, the video highlights.
Yep.
It was about the previous ASRAD.
The 2019, right?
2019, right? So we know that ASRAD is an annual agenda organized by the National Center for Sustainability Reporting in collaboration with the Institute of Certified Sustainability Practitioners. An event which aims to give appreciation to companies who has played an active role in implementing the principles of sustainability in business and then communicate them in the sustainability report.
And Ririn, the assessment criteria for ASRAT refer to the GRI standards issued by the Global Reporting Initiative. The assessment of the sustainability report is carried out by the assessor and the jury, which will be introduced in the following broadcast. The assessors and the jury have made an outstanding contribution in evaluating the company's performance. Now, please welcome Dr. Ali Darwin as Chairman of NCSR and Professor Eko Ganis as Chairman of ICSP to present awards to companies participating in ASRAT 2020. And we will announce the rating. We start with the bronze and silver rating first, and
Yep.
then followed by the gold and platinum
Platinum.
rating.
Okay.
And in regards with the companies that receive a bronze rating for their 2019 sustainability report, we call on
Pembangunan Jawa Timur, represented by Muslim Almusa, Director. Pengembang Kepentingan Indonesia, M. Hadi Syafiqul Presiden. CIMB Niaga.
Ladies and gentlemen, furthermore, companies receiving silver rating. Now I would like to invite to come on stage the following companies.
Astra International by Muhammad Taufan. Group Support Department Head, ESR Division of Astra. Danone Specialized Nutrition Indonesia. Representative by Arif Wahyudin, Sustainable Development Manager.
PP Property, represented by Sinurlinda Gustina M, President Director of PP Property.
And next, for companies that receive a gold rating for our sustainability report, we call ABM Investama by Emilia Katrina Sitompul, Head of CSR ABM Group. Bank Asia Limited by Muhammad Ibrahim Khalil, FCA Senior Vice President and CFO. Bank BTPN Syariah by Larasati Murdiat, Daya and Communication Head. Bank BTPN by Januar Rusdianto, Daya Program Development Head. Bank Maybank Indonesia by Juvencius Judi Ramdoyo, Head of CSR and Sustainability Reporting.
Congratulations once again, and we would like to invite to gold rating. Please remain on stage for photo documentation. Bank Negara Indonesia by Iwan Febianto, Assistant Vice President of Corporate Communication. Bank Pembangunan Daerah Jawa Barat dan Banten by Nancy Adistiasari, Director of Commercial and UMKM. Bank Rakyat Indonesia by Agus Sudiarto, Risk Management Director. Bio Farma by Iwan Setiawan, Head of Corporate Communication. BPJS Ketenagakerjaan by Evi Afiatin, Director of Finance.
Bukit Asam by Vinoriska Citraning, Investor Relation Manager. Bumi Resources by Tovan Wibisono, Manager Sustainability. Indo Tambang Raya Megah by Ignatius Wurwanto, Director of Sustainable Development. Indosemen Tunggal Prakarsa by Mr. Christian Kartawijaya,
President Director of Indocement. Pelni by Mr. Yahya Kuncoro, Corporate Secretary.
Pembangkitan Jawa Bali PJB by Fibrina Diamanti, Officer Account Executive. Perkebunan Nusantara 10 by Dr. Insinyur Aristo Harisman, MFSC Director. Pertamina by Jefferson Victor Mangempis, Vice President Investor Relations. Pertamina EP Cepu by Awang Lazuardi, President Director. Pertamina Gas by Elok Riani Ariza, Manager Communication, Relations, and CSR.
Pertamina Hulu Energy (ONWG) by Hadi Supardi, Assistant Manager Environmental. PetroChina International Jabung Limited by Densio Renato Bule, Vice President Human Resources and Relations. Sarana Multi Infrastruktur by Ramona Harimurti, Corporate Secretary. SKK Migas by Murdo Gantoro, Secretary SKK Migas. Star Energy Kakap Limited by Wahyu Wicaksana, Vice President Kakap Asset Operations.
Star Energy Geothermal Wayang Windu Limited by Agus Sandi Widianto, Group Chief Strategy and Planning Officer, Strategy and Planning. Timah by Listi Witani, Head Investor Relations. United Tractors by Erika Pratiwi, Social Responsibility and Communication Department Head. Vale Indonesia by Suparam Bayu Aji, Senior Manager Communications. XL Axiata by Tri Wahyuningsi, Group Head Corporate Communications. SM Investments Corporation, Philippines. Timothy Daniels, Head of Investor Relations, represented by the Astrid Jury.
Meralco Philippine, Ray C. Espinosa, President and CEO, represented by the Astrat Jury.
All right, Edo, so
Yeah.
are we done?
Nope.
Not
We
yet.
still have another rating.
We still have another. So we've done bronze,
Silver.
we've done silver,
Mhm.
and then we've done
Gold.
rating. Congratulations once again. And now we're heading for
For the platinum rating, really.
wow. Okay, so we have 5 companies who will be receiving a platinum rating, but this is in alphabetical order. So, who they are? They are Austindo Nusantara Jaya by Istini Tati Sidarta. President, Director.
Indonesia Power by Husnul Mubin, Director of Finance.
Perusahaan Gas Negara by Tubagus Nurholis, Department Head, CSR Planning and Controlling.
Pupuk Indonesia by Eko Taufik Wibowo, Director of Finance and Investment.
Last but not least, Pupuk Kalimantan Timur by Hanggara Pandrianta, Operation and Production Director. Can we give a very big round of applause for all receivers, and for all platinum ratings we would like to invite to take a photo session all together. Wow! That was
really?
quite a great ceremony, wasn't
What
it?
a wonderful moment.
Yes, and now we have seen 44 companies that received the SRAT 2020 award based on ratings. It is bronze,
Silver,
silver,
gold,
gold, and platinum.
and Ririn.
Yes.
To closing the event, we would like to thank the parties who have contributed to the success of ASRAT Forum 2020.
And we also hope that we will be able to meet you again at another opportunity. Thank you so much for your attention, for your presence and participation. See you soon and have a nice activity again. Looking forward for 2021 ASRAT Forum. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Sampai jumpa di tahun depan.
Rina Gustarini, Fernando Edo signing out. Bye.